Next topic is hepatic portal system. Before starting hepatic portal system, we should know what do you mean by portal system. A portal vein together with small veins through which it receives blood is called portal system, and it is named after the organ to which it carries blood. Now, what do you mean by portal vein? A vein which does not carry blood directly to the heart but forms a network of capillary in another organ before reaching the heart is called portal vein. Hepatic portal system is present in all the vertebrates including man. It brings blood from the alimentary canal, pancreas and spleen, etc. to the liver, and hence it is named hepatic portal system. Hepatic word is for the liver. So the veins from all the alimentary canal, they bring blood directly to the liver. They do not send blood directly to the heart. First of all, from the alimentary canal, blood enters into the liver, then it goes to the heart. That's why it is known as the hepatic portal system. The flow of deoxygenated blood from the digestive organ to the liver before returning to the heart is called hepatic portal circulation. Now, in hepatic portal system, it includes a large hepatic portal vein. This is the large hepatic portal vein, and second vein is the hepatic vein. Now, different small veins. Number of small veins, they collect deoxygenated blood from each and every part of the alimentary canal, and these veins, they combine to form a large vein known as hepatic portal vein. This hepatic portal vein, it enters into the liver, where excess of glucose and other harmful waste are absorbed by the liver cell. Then the blood leaves the liver through the hepatic vein, and this hepatic vein later on opens into inferior vena cava, and inferior vena cava pours blood into the right auricle. So this course of circulation is known as hepatic portal system or hepatic portal circulation. So hepatic portal circulation mainly consists of hepatic portal vein, which receives the deoxygenated blood from all the parts of the alimentary canal. Hepatic portal vein, it enters into the liver and release excess of glucose and other harmful substances. Now the blood, deoxygenated blood, it leaves the liver through hepatic vein. Now hepatic vein, it opens into the inferior vena cava, and inferior vena cava, it opens into the heart. So blood from the alimentary canal, it do not directly enter into the right auricle, or you can say it do not directly enter into the inferior vena cava. First of all, it enters into the liver through hepatic portal vein. Then hepatic vein carries the blood into the inferior vena cava. So this is known as the hepatic portal system. Next is the coronary circulation. Coronary circulation is related to the circulation of blood to the heart muscles. Heart muscles also need oxygen for the release of energy so that it can pump the blood faster. Now coronary circulation, I told you, it is related to the flow of blood to the heart and to the heart muscle, especially not inside the heart, to each and every heart muscle. Now the oxygenated blood from the left ventricle enters into the aorta. From aorta arises an artery known as coronary artery. Coronary artery divides into two branches, that is left and right coronary artery, which supply oxygenated blood to each and every heart muscles. Now deoxygenated blood from the heart muscles are also known as the cardiac muscles. You have studied about cardiac muscles in your class 9th. Now, deoxygenated blood from the cardiac muscles are carried by the coronary veins. Now, these coronary veins, they open into the coronary sinus, and coronary sinus directly opens into the right auricle, and it empties the deoxygenated blood into the right auricle. This course of circulation between of oxygenated blood to the heart muscles or cardiac muscles and deoxygenated blood back to the auricle of the heart is known as the coronary circulation. So, what do you mean by coronary circulation? The flow of blood from the aorta through the coronary artery to the heart muscles, and return of deoxygenated blood from the heart muscles through coronary sinus to the right auricle is known as coronary or cardiac circulation.